Alright guys, this quick video I'm going to show you how to translate your website to another language. So when visitors come to your website, you can be able to read and understand your website with other language. With the language that they like, they can choose any language they like from your website. So what you can do is you want to go to your website and download this plugin right here. So this plugin will help you to translate your website to other languages very easily. So you want to install this new plugin. So let's go to plugins here. So these are multi-language plugins that you can use to multiply your website language. So if visitors come to your website, you can choose any language you like from your website. So with these plugins, you download one of them. So I've already downloaded this plugin here. So let's go ahead and set this one up here. I've already downloaded one here, this one, what I'm using. So let's go over to my plugin and set it up so that we can get started. So let's go to plugins, install plugin. So this is the plugin right here. So I want to set it up. The default language in English, so our website is about English. So if they click here, and they have other languages to choose from. So if they choose Arab, our website is going to translate to Arab. That's right. So these are languages that they can choose from. So show a menu. So this is where you're gonna set it up. So I want to let it show a menu. Show a menu. So at the primary menu, it's gonna show up in the primary menu if you want in primary menu, or you want it in social. So let's add it in primary menu. Floating language selection. Left, where did you want the language to float? So when you finish, you scroll down here and each save changes. Now let's visit our website. So our website is now, we can translate our website now. Let's say these are languages we can translate. That's our website can translate to. So let's say I want to translate this to Dutch. So the website has been translated to the Dutch. Just gonna wait a little and it will translate to the Dutch. So this is Dutch language now that we are using here. So that's how you translate your website, how you add more language to your website. It's very easy and straightforward. Okay guys, that's how you do it. If you have any questions about this video here, if you have anything to say, you have any comment, please drop them down below. Subscribe to this channel and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Peace.